so few, his room was bare. He hardly uses his fence.
It's a big story of, love and revenge and vengeance and just the thoughts and mindset of Sweeney Todd.
It's weird. I mean, there's no show like this.
As most people think that it is this gory musical thriller, but my approach to it was something very different. At the core of it, or the heart of it, it definitely is a story of revenge, of what you would do to protect those that you love and how far you're willing to go.
What happened then? Well, that's the play, and he wouldn't want us to give it away.
It's very real. I feel like that's especially conveyed through the music.
The music. The music is the hardest element.
Have charity toward the world, my pet.
Yes, yes, I know, my love.
The music is always happening. It's very rare. It's about 90% sung through. So that means
you really have to practice.
But you push through and you make it work.
for a high school to be doing this show, it's amazing.
I think that is something that sets us apart as well, is that the students are involved in every aspect.
Selling all our ads and building the set and making sure we have all the props and making sure all the costumes are done on time.
It seems almost impossible, but to see us do it and the fact that we are able to do it, it proves that we can do almost any show that we want to.